KinggEATEAT, 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 KinggEATEAT. I like chicken, I like beef, I like spaghetti with a whole lot of meat. KinggEATEAT, yeah, KinggEATEAT.
Yes, sir. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy, Mr. Moment, aka KinggEATEAT, and today, you know what it is. You see the vibes, baby. Happy New Year! Happy New Year, everyone! This is gonna be a great year. I know for a fact, you sitting right there, watching this right here, you're gonna have a great year. Congratulations ahead of time. So what I got some rice, some gravy with some meatballs, y'all. This just something my wife put together. I ain't never had nothing like this. We're gonna try, we're gonna see how it is, we're gonna get it in. As a matter of fact, cue it. Yes, sir. So y'all see it. Let's get it popping, baby. Yes, sir. See, let's see how it coming, y'all. Got little onions on there. I love them onions, y'all. Yes, sir. Get down! Ooh! Well, you did that thing on there, y'all. You did your thing. Look at that. You did that thing, y'all. Yes, sir, y'all. I like that. Yeah, hot though. So let me know in the comment section what y'all New Year resolution is. What y'all plan to do different from this year from what y'all did last year. You know, you got to set goals for yourself. You know, you got to set goals for yourself. Positive vibes this whole year, y'all. Oh. It's so good it hurt. Now, this year, some of my goals, gravy all over there. Get on up over there. Yeah, sir. Right all up in there. Y'all, this year my goals, stay positive, lose some weight, and help some people. You know, positive vibes on my side, y'all. Positive vibes. And a lot of y'all been around all these negative people. Get them up out of here. Get them up out of here. Get them away from you. You know, because when you around a lot of negative energy, sooner or later you're going to rub up on you. I just don't know that you're going to rub up on you. Come on, take it. Going to rub up on you. Get them folks away from you, y'all. And I be your best friend. Look, I'm going to tell you. Sometimes, it be the people close to you that'll pull you down. They'll pull you down. Tell somebody something that you want to do that they probably never dreamed of doing or just don't want to do. I guarantee you they say something negative. Them the type of people there, now somebody who be like, yeah, go ahead and do it, man. You can do it, you got it. Them kind of people you want to have around you. Them negative folk. I'm telling you now. 2020 in here, baby. We're here. We right here, right now. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Thank you. You know what I'm gonna do? Blocking all negative energy. Get away from me. You know. Keep the negative people away from you. They'll pull you down. They'll pull you down. Now me, y'all, I'm doing a lot better. My side ain't hurting me as much. Every time I pass the living room, though, I look over at the exercise bike, I be like, I'm coming for you. I still got a few more pills to take. Once all my pills gone, y'all, I'm getting back on it. I'm getting back on it. You know? I ain't gonna let it beat me. Well, everybody out there, y'all got serious this. I'm grubbing. I'm grubbing, I'm sorry. It's my first meal of the day. I'm starving. Only you can bring yourself down. Don't let nobody else do it to you. Not this year. 2018, 2019. I was letting people bring me down, y'all. A lot of y'all doing the same thing, too. I'm gonna tell you something you don't want to hear right here. Somebody might be mad at me on this. A lot of y'all, they beside somebody every night. I ain't no good for you. I said it. I said it. You know why? It needs to be said. You women out there, stop giving them niggas your good stuff. I got some good stuff, I don't give it away like that. You make them work for you, make them earn it. Some of y'all wonder why y'all ain't got no ring on your finger. That's why. Why pay for the milk if you can get the cow for free? Come on now. Don't shoot the messenger. Don't shoot the messenger. That's me. Don't shoot the messenger. You know? For me, I love you never let one of y'all. Just do. Just like do. I ain't got no gas in the gas can. I almost died, y'all. We got a little swig of gas in there. That's just 78. Ooh, excuse me. Yes, sir. The new year is here. What you gonna do? Yo. Somebody is super positive that I know. Super positive. Shout out. Fake Squad. Shout out, Fake Squad. Yo, a positive person. I never had nothing negative to say. I'm talking about just positive. If y'all ain't never checked out our channel, go over there and check out Face Squad. Big shout outs over here. Number positive energy. Positive energy. That's all I need. Yeah. This year, gonna be my year. The most underrated content creator on YouTube. KinggEATEAT, baby. I'm coming straight to the top. I'ma eat out there. Eat. Everybody else, we the gang. Y'all gang. We're not the same.